Hey YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. I'm going to do this open box that I received from 2Plus. It's a travel size yoga mat. This is their name. Can you see it? There you go. And it's a travel size mat. Comes in this little cute, easy to go travel bag that you can just throw in your suitcase and go. And zipper. Pull this mat out. Let's see. It fits really well in there. See how tight it is snug in there? Look at that. It's a really small bag. Fit in your suitcase. Weekend bag and also a knapsack. And you know, I do a lot of yoga, so this is perfect when I travel. I do a lot of yoga in different studios. And I'm always finding myself renting a mat. And I don't really like to use other people's mats. I don't care how much they say they're sanitized. I always wind up catching like a cold or something because of my illness of lupus and Sjogren's. So this is perfect for me. And it's my favorite color, purple. Look at that. It's like a Microsoft. It feels like Microsoft, like velour. Like it's really soft. It's nice. Has rubber in the back. Came with this little instructions. Fit instructions? Yeah, use the manual. Get one year warranty. Hide my barcode. And warranty is in there. Let's see, 1 year. So let's open this bad boy up and let's see how big this bad boy is. It's actually a full-size mat. Look at that. Lay this baby out. Do me a quick. Quick plank pose on it. And quick child's pose. Nice and comfortable. See? And let's do a tree pose. So, this is me and my new mat. So I'm gonna end this video with a namaste. Watch out, Joy.